What's going on, guys and gals? Stock Jock here, up $301 on the day. Really, really slow day. Nothing to be shocked about because it is the summer. Kind of bounced around today on my trades. It started out really good, then I had a red streak, and then I ended on a good trade and a couple good trades or whatever, and it got me back to 300 bucks. So not a huge day at all. It feels like I'm nickel and dime in the market right now, but nonetheless green. And you know, if you make $500 a week doing this, what does that come out to? Let's say if you made 500 bucks a week doing this, right? Times 52 weeks, it's 26 grand a year. All right, that's pretty nice. So I made $300 of that $500 goal. If someone were to have a $500 goal, a lot of people have $500 day goals, but they're using bigger size and blah blah blah. But just $500 a week can really change your life. I mean, you're not maybe quitting your job or whatever, but you can make $500 a week. That should be a goal for maybe a new trader. It's $100 a day. But anyway, I digress. Let's get into the trade. CLSN. This one, you can kind of see right here, pre-market, that it had resistance in this level here, right? And support down here. And as soon as the market opened, it dropped below support and came back up. And this is when Warrior Trading went long, and I'm a member of Warrior Trading. They went long inside this candle here. I did not because I didn't like the news on it. I didn't think it was going to be a strong move, and they went long. And since I know that 1,000 people are going long right here, you can see this huge volume spike, and it can't break this resistance level. I'm thinking to myself, okay, uh, it's probably going to dump now. And as the curls back down, those 1,000 people that just created this volume spike are going to sell and get out. So as it was coming back down, I actually went short, and this is the flip side of how you can play these chat rooms. Is 1,000 people just bought this stock. They have to exit at some point, and they're going to cut their losses just like any other good trader would, and you can make money on that. So anyway, I went short inside this candle here at $1.90 right here as it was coming back down, and we got a quick flush low a day, and I covered inside that flush 3,000 shares, basically 7-cent win, $210. Good start to the day. My next trade was MTBC. This one had a breakout candle yesterday, and it was kind of continuing today. It had the pop consolidation, and we played in our chat rooms this candle over candle. So you had the initial pop, pull back, and then candle over candle break on the 1 minute. And I went long. I wanted to get in at $1.80. Guess where I got filled? $1.85, the absolute top of this. So I had to wait, a grueling minute before I was able to exit. As soon as I was green, I got out for a 2.5 cent win. What is that, like 70 bucks on 3,000 shares? My next trade was VRX. This one was a news play. This one showed, or Benzinga called out, I think it was VRX was being looked at to be bought out, which probably isn't true at all, but nonetheless, it was enough. I can't remember the news, but it was a news play. It was positive news. When I heard the news, I went long, and I scalped this for basically, 5 cents, 1,000 shares, 50 bucks. So American Airlines, this one had some news that an investment group was going to withdraw their bid, withdraw their investment that they were going to do. So when I heard that, it was about 2 minutes late. Here was the initial news that everyone else seemed to get, and I'm getting it right here. So I was thinking spike down, and now we're going to curl back down, right? That didn't happen. I went short here thinking I was getting a good entry. It spiked down, and I was green, and I'm thinking, okay, another break of 50, and here we go. We're going down. But it just kept going up, and people just kept buying this, and I just didn't like it. I had to hold on for a while. I was pretty red on it. Finally flushed out, got down to where I felt comfortable covering for a decent loss. I actually lost like 50 bucks on this trade. I tried it again too, and every time it kept burning me. They kept reporting the news. Let's see, 21. I tried it right here. So I went short, thinking we were going to break 50 again. It curls up, comes back down. Thought I was going to break 50, doesn't happen, and I cover uh, inside this candle here. So it didn't break it, and I wasn't waiting around. I lost another 25 bucks on that trade. So lost some money on that one. Wasn't too thrilled with the trading there. My next trade was Wells Fargo. This one was again a news play. This one had news out that New York was has a subpoena out for on Wells Fargo for something that they wanted or whatever. It was negative news. I can't remember it exactly, but so I went short here, and then I looked at there's 4 billion shares in this company, and it's just not going to move fast. So I waited, a little bit, and it just wasn't moving fast enough. So I just covered for, half a penny loss. No big deal. My next trade was TSN. This was a sympathy play. There was news out that I think it was Hormel or some other company was looking to invest in the food industry deeper or buy a company, is what the rumor was. And when that happened, a lot of stocks, you can kind of see them here. This is General Mills, just decided to rip when that news came out. You can kind of see a few of them here that I'm cycling through. TSN was another one that popped up. You see just nothing going on. This is the 5-minute chart, and then boom, they all just kind of took off at the exact same time. So they're all running in sympathy to each other, and I found that the leading candidate of this was General Mills. So General Mills had this nice kind of pop up. Let's look at the 1 minute because that's what I was looking at. Pop up, and it started consolidating through here. And I was wanting to see if it was going to curl back up, and this is exactly what it did. And it finally broke high of day again. And when it broke high of day, uh, the other food guys that were running before also started to move again. And this is the one that was lagging behind, TSN. And finally, you can kind of see it kind of consolidating here, right? Consolidated for a long time. And then when GIS broke to the upside, let's see, what time was that it broke high day again? Right here. So let's see, 12:38. And we'll go over here, and when did this happen? 12:39. See how they correlate there? See how GIS was leading the pack, and then this one got another pop because GIS started running again? I played that pop. So I got in when it looked like GIS was going to go high of day. Got in at 12:36 right here. It spiked down on some big volume. Well, I should say big, 13,000 shares. It came right back up, and then right inside this, we got the pop that I was looking for. I sold at 63.39 for 100 bucks on 1,000 shares, 10 cents. It was a good trade. Just easy money, easy money. It didn't go any higher than 48. So I did pretty good on that trade. Uh, just a sympathy play, just a sympathy play. And my last trade was LXU. This one, Jason Bond bought right here. You can kind of see that. He got in at 682 right here. And I was hoping to get a bigger move, especially since it was oversold like crazy amount. And you can kind of see the volume that his group brought in. I bought 1,000 shares, trying to get some of that momentum. And I was up 40 bucks, and I thought it was going to break 7. It eventually did, but I was out way before that. I was hoping for that pop, but it didn't come, and I wasn't going to wait on it. So uh, I got out for basically a penny loss, which brings me to my total of $301 on the day. Not a huge day, but nonetheless a decent trade. Uh, Jason or Luke, part of Raging Bull, he runs the Raging Bull day trade room. He does a thing called lifestyle trading where he kind of his goal is to make $500 a day in the first hour. And today he did it in 10 minutes. You can kind of see right here. These are his plays right here. And by 9:40 he had made 1281 on the day. So if you're interested at all being part of this chat room, I'm in it. I subscribe to this. It's a good chat room. This is what you see. You get what you see right here. The stream is offline, but there's sometimes trade exchanges up here as well as other scanners and stuff like that. But as he enters and exits, he posts his trades, and you get little dings when he does it. And there's chat going on, blah blah blah, all that good stuff. So if you're interested in that trade or that chat room, link is in the description down below. If you have any questions on it, feel free to ask. I'm here to help. Also, I run a free Discord chat. Link for this one is down in the description below. We had probably 15, 20 people in voice alerts today and over 20 people online today. Offline, we got over 71. So it's continuing to grow. It's relatively new still, so it's free. Please come on in. If you're a new trader, if you're an intermediate trader, if you're an advanced trader, we welcome everybody. We're here to help each other. We want to all make money. I hate watching people lose money. So it is here. Take advantage of it. Uh, and I'm here to help. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video.